Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan ra siya pi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi, minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Kajing ang no jong kipat ba nong song shnong ka Mairang Civil Subdivision ban yo no yala ka jong ka district shen kan sa urlong no tang hapo khendiat banai hadin bo menteri rang ba jong ka jilla Konrad Kongkal Sangma haga arpu pratrik ubna jilleu arajar arpu wei ula pentim ba ka sarkar jilla kalabo thongru ban penbana district ya ka Mairang haswa ka jing rakhe jong ka ri India bat ka jilla Meghalaya ya ka jingyo lailo jong ka ri India kat kum ka jingyo tho jong menteri rang ba haga jing shisha ka sarkar kaladai ban penbana no ya ka Mairang kum ka district ka bathamai hapo ka jilla Henry na ka jingwan linshop jong ka jingpang klam COVID-19 ya ka ni ka kam la shu pensa teng shwa shipor. Hakabaya day bat ka jingdawa ba ka Sora Civil Subdivision kaladai ban yo yala ka jong ka district na kaliang jong menteri rang ba ulaong namar ka jinglong jingman jong ka thain Sora bat ka thain pun ursla ka sarkar kala shem jinge ban penbana district bat yementa ka sarkar kadang hab ban shimlang ya ka jingmenjur na kinong yalam bat na kipaj ba jong kini ki artli kithan.
Sora has been again an area of concern. There has been demands for it, but because of the geographical landscape and the areas of Nusla and down and all these other areas that are across the valley. So the geographical, I should say, mapping is not coming to a point where we're able to really look at a consensus. So all those issues are being discussed and we will see how to move forward. But if you remember my speech when I gave in Mairang, I think it was 31st of March 2021. So when I gave the speech that day, I mentioned that Mairang is at the bottom in terms of the sustainable development goals. And the main purpose of doing this really is to push the life standards of the people in Mairang and other parts of West Khasi Hills. And therefore the need was very justified. So therefore we decided and announced that we will go, and as I said that our endeavour will be that we make Mairang district functional before the 15th of August 2021, before this independence. From the government's point of view, from the leadership point of view, decision making is the most critical part for us. So we have to weigh and all the options, and as I said, that when we look at the size of West Khasi Hills district, when we look at the economic standard of the people in West Khasi Hills, when we look at the sustainable development goals in West Khasi Hills has been neglected a lot, and to bring development and to raise the livelihood of the people in West Khasi Hills, which I've been speaking for a very, very long time, it's not just I say it now. The only way to do it is to bring the administration closer to the people. And this has been a demand of the people of Mairang area and the adjoining constituencies, and therefore it's a very genuine demand. Yes, you're right that there will be plus and minus, but then if we keep looking at that, then we want to move forward. So we will see as and when we find that yes, there's a genuine demand and there's a need to open up. We've always been for taking administration closer to the people, and this is a very justified demand. We will examine. The Honourable Minister for Power had met me a couple of times and demanded for district in Nading, because again West Khasi Hills is again a very huge district. So we are examining those aspects also. So, but the Power Minister has been very clear that Nading should be given the district, but the government has not taken any decision yet. Let us see. The time comes, we will see, but as I said, as of now, we are going as per the need. As I said, it's not always election oriented. Sometimes we need to do things because it's required. And that's why we felt that Mairang was required. So we don't have to wait till elections come and then do it. Just because we need to look at votes and all the things that we do at last moment, I feel it's not always correct. So we feel that we could have also delayed things. We could have also announced it later on. But then government has to do what it has to do. Therefore, we decided we'll go ahead.